I'm on an LS9 Ultimate this morning, and we're going to discuss the windlass anchor, how to use it, how not to use it, and this little handy tool that you get right here in your owner's bag that most people don't know what it's for. So we're going to discuss all those items this morning. Let's get started. So I'm up on the bow of the boat now, and the windlass anchor is below the locker up here. And there's a safety wire, or safety chain, I guess you would call it, on the anchor right here, which prevents it from dropping unintentionally. So before using the anchor, you must remove the safety wire first, just like so. The next step, so the second step of the process would be to turn on the battery switch, which is located typically right near the windlass. This one is on the starboard side, right next to the actual windlass motor. And then the third step of the process is to just press the down button right here, which puts the anchor into the lake. So typically when you let your anchor out, you want to have at least 3 times the amount of rode, which in this case is all chain, in the water compared to the water depth. So if you're in 10 feet of water, you want to let out 30 to 40 feet of rode to give it some scope on the rope or the rode, so that the anchor sits in the bottom of the lake. It has a nice scope up to the boat. That's what holds it in place. If it's going right straight down, it typically bounces off the bottom and doesn't really hold the boat in place perfectly. So this tool that comes in the owner's bag of every Regal is our clutch tool. So what this does is this tightens up the clutch on the anchor windlass motor. By using this, you can tighten it so it will pull the anchor in more effectively without any jamming or any sliding. By using the windlass, it'll actually loosen itself up kind of all by itself from just going up and down. So you want to put this tool in right here in this star, and you want to pull it back towards you and tighten the clutch up until it quits moving, until it's fully tight. The best time to do this is when the anchor is in the stowed position, because that's when you have the most pressure against the rode to fully tighten up the clutch with this tool. This tool is very handy and essential for proper operation of the windlass. So this boat is a LS9 Ultimate. What that means, it has on the dash here digital switching. So this one allows us to control the windlass from the screen as well. So we just press the button here that says on it enable. And now so that like activates the actual motor in the front. And then as long as the safety chain is off and you're ready to go, you can just press the down button right here and run the windlass motor right from the helm. And you can pick it up the same way by pressing the up button and bring the windlass or the anchor back up into the boat. So after the anchor is back in the up position and stowed in the boat, you can just press the button that says enable, and that will disable it. So now the buttons are no longer active here on the dash. The final step would be go back to the bow of the boat and connect the safety wire back to the chain and turn off the battery switch.